Today we are going to be looking at arrays, or what I like to call repeated addition. But before we get started, let's look at some key math terms. First we have equation. What is an equation? An equation is a number sentence with an equal sign. For example, 3 plus 6 equals 9. Then we have, what is an array? An array is a way to arrange objects, numbers, or pictures in rows or columns. For instance, if I have 3 plus 3, which is 6, the row is going this way and the column is going down this way vertically. Let's look at this example for an array. I have my row going across. I have my column going down. In my first row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 counters. In my vertical column, I have 1, 2, 3 going down. There are two different ways I can solve this problem. So the first way, I'm going to start with counting each row. So the first row has 4 counters in it. The second row has 4 counters in it. And the third row has 4 counters in it. This is why we call it repeated addition, because you have 4 plus 4 plus 4. And if I want to know my sum, I can just count the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So my sum is going to be 12. When you think of arrays, you can also think of multiplication. For instance, if I were to write 1, 2, 3, 4, I could put that 4 here, times my columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Let's look at an array word problem. There are 6 grapes and 3 cups. How many grapes are there? When we're dealing with word problems, the first thing that we want to do is circle the numbers that we are working with. We are working with 6 and we are working with the number 3. And my question is asking me, how many grapes are there in total? The first thing you may be thinking is, oh, this is easy. Let me just add 6 plus the 3. No. That's the wrong thing to do. When you draw it out, you will see just why. Now let's draw it out and see what our sum is going to be. We have 6 grapes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But how many cups do we have? We have 3 cups. So think of this first row as our first cup. We have 2 more cups to go. So for our second cup, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for our third cup, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that becomes 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now to find our sum, we can count all of our counters. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So our sum, which as you know, our sum is the answer in an addition sentence, or what we call an equation. Another way we can write this is 6 times 3 is equal to 18. There is another way that we can solve this problem using equal groups. I can take 3 cups, 1, 2, 3, and I'll number them for you so you can see clearly. I'm going to put 6 grapes in each cup. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to then add all the grapes together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which is 18. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18. This is our equation.